हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आज हम पोएम अभिसारा द ट्राइस्ट की लाइन बाय लाइन एक्सप्लेनेशन करेंगे। दिस पोएम इज रिटन बाय रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर। ये एक ऐसी पोएम है जो आपको वैल्यू ऑफ लव और कंपैशन के बारे में बताती है। सबसे पहले हम जानते हैं टाइटल का मीनिंग, अभिसारा द ट्राइस्ट। Abhisara the Tryst means a private romantic meeting at an agreed place. जब आप इस पोएम को पढ़ते जाएंगे, at the end you will realize that the promise done by one of the follower of Lord Buddha was fulfilled in the end of the poem. चलिए पोएम शुरू करते हैं। उपागुप्ता, द डिसाइपल ऑफ बुद्धा, lay asleep in the dust by the city wall of मथुरा। उपागुप्ता जो कि वन ऑफ द फॉलोअर्स थे लॉर्ड बुद्धा के, वो एक दिन मथुरा की सिटी वॉल के पास सो रहे थे। He was in the dust. This is the main thing to remember. He was not lying like he was not having any bed sheet. He was not on any bed. He was just sleeping in the dust by the city wall of Mathura. The third line of the poem tells, the lamps were all out, doors were all shut. All shut means the people, the houses, the people were inside their houses, and lamps were also out. हर घर के दरवाजे बंद थे. Stars were all hidden by the murky sky of August, as it was mid-monsoon. So August में sky was cloudy at night and stars were hidden by the clouds. It means that stars were there, but somewhere they were hidden by the clouds by the murky sky of August. Whose feet were those tinkling with anklets, touching his breast of a sudden? Now this is a question, and this question is actually introducing or giving us the introduction about the another person in the poem, and that is a woman. So whose feet were those? ये किसके पैर थे? Tinkling with anklets, जिसके पैर में anklets ringing, there was a ringing sound. The anklets were making ringing sound. Touching his breast. His means Upagupta's. So by chance किसी के पैर जिसमें कि एंकलेट्स हैं वो उपागुप्ता की ब्रेस्ट को हिट करते हैं. ऑफ अ सडन मीन्स लाइक सडनली. सो दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन एंड द पोइट इज आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन हुज फीट. सो यू विल गेट द इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट दिस पर्सन एज वेल. ही वोक अप स्टार्टल्ड. ही इज फॉर उपागुप्ता. उपागुप्ता वॉज शॉक्ड and suddenly he woke up, and the light from a woman's lamp fell on his forgiving eyes. As Upagupta was a follower of Lord Buddha, and Lord Buddha is actually demonstrating or actually demonstrate the peace of mind. Upagupta was also a very forgiving kind of a person. Even though वो shocked हो जाते हैं जब उस लेडी के feet जो हैं वो उनको टच करते हैं, हिट करते हैं. And the light from a woman's lamp, and the woman was carrying light. The woman was carrying lamp. That lamp was having light. वो light जो है वो उपागुप्ता की आइज पर पड़ती है. सो द पोइट हैज़ एक्सप्लेन द आइज ऑफ उपागुप्ता एज अ फॉरगिविंग आइज. because they were not having any anger. There was no anger in the eyes of Upagupta. They were forgiving. It was Vaswadatta, the dancing girl. So, who was that lady? That lady was Vaswadatta, and she was a dancing girl, starred with jewels. She was completely decorated with jewelry. Clouded with a pale blue mantle, she had covered herself with a dull blue cloak. Drunk with the wine of her youth, she was full of youth. She was full of beauty. She was very beautiful. She was full of youth. She lowered her lamp. The lamp which she was carrying, she lowered that lamp to see the face of the person, or saw the young face, and then she saw the young face of the monk. Austerely beautiful. This was simply awesome. That face was simply awesome. Forgive me, young ascetic, said the woman. Woman means Vaswadatta. Vaswadatta भी ये कहती है कि young ascetic, young follower of Lord Buddha, please forgive me. Graciously come to my house. And she gave the invitation to Upagupta to come to her house. She wants कि वो उसके घर आए. The dusty earth is not a fit bed for you. And she said, this dusty earth, the earth which is full of dust, is not a suitable bed for you. The young ascetic answered, and the young self-disciplined monk answered, woman, go on your way. So these two lines are telling that he had rejected the offer to come to her house at this time. He says, woman, go on your way. Please go on your way. अपने रास्ते जाओ. When the time is ripe, I will come to you. When the time will be appropriate, I will for sure visit you. Suddenly the black night showed its teeth in a flash of lightning. As Upagupta, जैसे ही Upagupta ने ये सब कुछ बोला, उसी समय there were the night was, you know that the night was very black, and then suddenly there was thundering in the sky, there was lightning in the sky. The storm growled from the corner of the sky. The storm howled from the corner of the sky. तो तूफान जो है एकदम से एक कॉर्नर से उठता है. And the woman trembled in fear, and the woman was shivering in fear. Rest of the poem will be continued in the next video. So stay tuned.